So good day everyone. Our topic is learning to be a better student. So it is very important to us right now as a college student to know about how to become a better student. So however, as a student also, I want to share my knowledge to you and experiences about ito ang pagkuhan para ma-improve to be a better student. So I want you to try to learn new some coping skills and tips on how to be a better student. Then, especially right now, we talk with the program knowing that this course is not easy, right? I would say that this is hard, but what a choice to kuan para ma-survive ka nito. Importante ka doon na makuan, magkapunta sa pag how to be a better student. Tapos mag-learn kita. Okay, next. According to Carl Roger, the only person who is educated is one who has learned to learn and change. So, as what people say that it is needed to be lifelong learning, wherein you continuously learn and learn lots of things in life, wherein trying to develop new strategies for you to become an effective and to better change. Okay, so that's what we did right now. We are here in this campus because to learn, not just patala-tala. Okay? Diyan kita sa display kita to learn because we have a goals to aims na ma-achieve nato in the futures. Okay? So, ang atong buhaton is magkat-on kay we are student, tapos dapat need nato magkat-on. So, those students na dili ganahan mag-cut-on, so sila rin ang mga estudyante na pinitiro ko sila kay o sila magkatunan in the futures, okay?
Yes.
Okay, learn, define. Learning involves change. So, when you learn things, of course, probably there are changes. So, when you learn something na ay pagdadalig mga kabaguhan. So, learning involves acquiring changes in present knowledge, skills, habit, behavior, or tendencies to experience, practice, or formal education. So basically, through studying, we can learn, maka-learn kita sa ating pag-study, not just only knowledge, but also skills. Through mga skills nito, for example, John Kay skills through editing, layouting, nana. Gusto ko yung pagkakon ka lang na skills kung hindi ko mag-learn, okay? So, importante na dyan sa ato is, mag-learn kita kay Aaron, mga katong kita na kabutan. So, try to explore new things, okay? Yeah. Skills. Matong knowledge skills. Habit, of course. Kanang habit, if habit enjoys reading, of course, maka-learn kita through reading. So, to improve your vocabulary, those unfamiliar mga words. So, makating ka, kasi ibuot masabot ang mga words. So, dictionary ka. So, by doing that, ang imong vocabulary is ma-improve ang imong yes, nakay deep knowledge about sa atong unfamiliar words. So, of course, behavior or tendencies to experience, practice, or formal education. So, through sa atong mga experiences, maka-learn kita, di ba? Then, it is acquisitions of knowledge, skills, and attitudes to learn. As what I have said a while ago, maka-learn kita through our knowledge, skills, and also attitude as well. Self-regulated learning. So, a process which students systematically direct their thoughts, feelings, and actions toward attachments of their academic goals. So, it refers as individuals to achieve na ang mga goals. So, mga independent goals, of course, kung dyan kita sa college is, dyan kita goals nga atong ma-achieve. So, there are three essential components about self-regulating learning. So, the first is planning, problem-solving skills, and self-evaluation. So, sa planning, of course, it is important na mag-set ka mo goals kung ka sa college. Kung job may plano nga, to aim na mag-business daw, so dapat ganado na yung mga plano sa pagka-estudyante. So, para ma-question. Okay, continue na. Diba, as what I have said nga, dapat doon kayo plano na kuhaan sa pag-estudyante. Tapos, kaya lang imong kuhaan ganit, din yung mag-get ang mga misdirections ng mga kuhaan, na mga butang. So, if nag-aim ka to be kuhaan, mga awards sa college, so of course, all you have to do is manikamot, mag-cut-on, o kuhaan, to be a good students as well. Okay? Problem-solving skills. So, it is unavoidable na pag-encounter sa lots of adversities, problems, challenges sa ato as a student. So, in order for you to para ma-overcome siyempre, maghanap ka ng solutions. So, gusto na solutions, of course, mag-think ka o mga mabutan para to solve that, to overcome that adversities as a student. Okay? So, rather than problem-solving skills. So, katalang mga problema na ito, talang mga challenges, adversities, of course, ato na sulbaron. Then, self-evaluation. Self-evaluation, of course, kabayo ka sa iyong kagalingon, kung sa kaasa ka na field ng excel, if ang uban is na excel sa anak ng butang, if ikaw, weakness ni mo, dapat kabayo ka sa iyong weaknesses and strength. Maybe ka sa uban nga, ilang strength is yung weakness, ang ilang pong weaknesses ang yung strength. So, dapat kabibit ang evaluate sa ato self, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Nag-gets ko, dito or mas masra? Mas masra.
Pero okay na yun.
Nag-gets nyo dali? Sa self-regulate learning, nag-gets nyo ang bonding essential components on how to regulate learning as a student. Yeah, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Dapat mo have these three essential components as a student. Planning, problem-solving skills, and self-evaluations. Okay, meta-cognition. It is awareness of one's thinking and strategies what uses to learn. So, this meta-cognition is down kita sa ato, o naani sa ato, o galingon, ang kaling meta-cognition is refers sa atong mind galing. Sino yun? Si?
Pinugon.
Sino ba ka? Let's continue about this meta-cognition. This meta-cognition is awareness of one's thinking and strategies uses to learn. So it refers sa atong mind. So, kaning meta-cognition is down sa atong pagkalimot sa tagsang mga buwan. So, kung wala kayong meta-cognition, so basically, wala kayong talk, okay?
Yes.
Then, kaya mga kaning meta-cognition is para mag-produce sa buwan ka ng partibali. When the teachers discussing in the front of the class, so of course, kung natin meta-cognitions, dapat ibuluman yung meta-cognitions, dapat makasabot ka sa mga ibang tudlo ng teacher sa imo, okay? So, rather lang mo ng meta-cognitions. Kung wala meta-cognitions, of course, napatalang-talang ka dito sa classroom. Hindi po yung meta-cognitions. The first one is ang meta-cognitions. Nag-gets nito?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay?
Sakit man.
Yes.
Yes, kaya may
Then, cerebral cortex is part which neurons are responsible for the most sophisticated information processing in the brain. So, dire kaning sa kuan, cerebral cortex ay familiar with this kuan.
Yes, frontal, parietal, temporal.
Yes, there are 4 lobes in the frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. These 4 lobes is joined to kalimong mga functions. Okay? Yes. Yes, exactly.
Yes.
So, dahil mga kuan ay mga different functions sa parts sa atong brain, okay? Muna kita sa frontal. So, frontal diri sa atong malamang. So, is the part of the brain that controls important cognitive skills as in humans, such as emotions, expressions, problem solving, memory, language, judgment, and sexual behavior. So, dili ba sa pag-function ng atong frontal lobes sa mga emotions, expressions, problem-solving skills, o memory. Again, dito, very ang function sa kuhaan. Yeah. Okay? Then, the next one is parietal lobe. The parietal lobe is lobes of the brain or the process of integrate sensory information, including temperature, pressures, and pain. So, the function ani is kanang pag-feel na ito mga senses galing. Okay? Kasakit, kanang kakinamon, then sa pa, what else? What? Sa pa? Init, temperature sa atong lawas. So, dito ang function no? Then, the temporal lobe is a pair of brain structures that are located near the ears and temples and plays key roles in many functions. So, kuhaan na siya dali ha. Yun ang mga kuhaan. So, hamog isang function, pwede siya mga kuhaan. Tanan. Ha? Tanan sila mga pwede ma-function, tanan sa mga parts ng kuhaan. Brain. Okay? Pwede ka makapil. Yeah. What is the temporal lobe? Then occipital lobe. The occipital lobe is the back of the head and are responsible for visual reception, including colors, form, and motion. So, kaning atong pagkuhaan. Pananaw sa atong atong pagkuhaan pagbatik sa atong taliuan, music, so dili ang occipital lobes ang function na. Colors, visuals, others, etc. Can I get some
Yes.
Again, sa mga itong kuhaan for frontal, so, these are the characteristics of learning. Yes, when you have these characteristics, of course, you consider you as a good student. Okay? So, the first is learning is a purpose. Learning is purposeful, of course. When you learn new things, of course, you have a purpose. Yes. Siyempre, pagkatong pala ka, kuya kay purpose na nakakuhaan ng utang. Say, for example, gusto natin utang magkakutong daw. So, ano siyang purpose is para ma-enhance ang inyong kuhaan. That is skills. So, that's why engage siya mga pagsayo-sayo sa mga kuhaan siya sa in order for her to para ma-achieve siya ang inyong gusto kuhaan. So, that is ang purpose. Yes, exactly. Very good. Learning is a result and experiences. So, there are through books ang turuan mga katungkitan through our experiences. Okay? Yeah. Let's say, oh yes, sakto. Very good. Very experiences. Like, for example, for example, nakaibiyak, for experiences na kayo, masakitan ka, of course, makalearn ka, ay sa sunod, hindi na mo magbuhan. Yes, so the experiences, makalearn ka, o, the third one is learning is multifaceted. So what does it mean? Yes, when you say multi, yes, so our senses, learning the life, our sight, that's why learning is multifaceted. Yeah. Basta multifaceted mo na, broke na siya. Ibalik ako. process.
Yes.
What I have said a while ago, ha? Dapat active kita kung magkakaroon kita ng butang. For example, as what I have said a while ago, kung mga katong mga teacher o teachers na nagpuan, dapat active daw sa inyong nagpuan. Sa isang tagsulti, dapat mag-gawin na rin mo, ma-receive mo, ma-reciprocate ka rin mo nagpuan. O, dapat hindi na sa tao. It's up to us na doon, gusto kita mag-learn, nara sa ako na, okay?
Correct. Yes, correct.
Now,
Yes.
so, learning to be a better student. Being a good student, like me, right?
Like us.
Enables you to attract equally good college students, and since you happen to share a lot in common, you are likely to advance your friendship even way after college, and this is good when it comes to sharing available opportunities and ideas. So I know that some of you is counting on a circle of friends here in, college. Different ang mga circle of friends. So dapat, kung magpili kayo ng circle of friends, dapat makakita o maka-influence ang inyong
Yes.
Maka-influence, maka-beneficiary mo sila. For example, sa for example, ang circle of friends is mostly academic achievers. So, kaya na yung mga academic achievers, so, para sa sila. Okay? For example, the Memorial academic achiever na sila. Sa Genius, guys, academic achiever naman. Yeah, so what tayo dito sa kuhaan, dapat benefits mo, dapat makakatulong, mahalap itaw na dito, okay?
At least we're real.
Then, good student habit. Study habit refers to the attitudes and behavior of students when preparing for tests for any learning assessment. So, when the final exam is approaching, dapat nakadispuan yung 7 ng mga habit, okay? The first one is get organized. Dapat as a student, dapat organize ka ang pagkatao, okay? Dapat when you wake up in the morning, dapat paano ka, proactive na, progressive na yung mga tao, basta rin mo sa schedules ang imong hapon. Yes, lalakad siya. Sa schedule sa mga hapon. Ita pala yung anak. Dapat progressive ang inyong Then organize mo also. Prepare your review materials. So, kung journal day exam or quizzes, dapat mag-prepare ng review materials. So, of course, kung sa'yo tumato, mag-note o mag-print sa itong mga review materials, kaya ako na i-answer quiz or exams. Then ask help. So, when the teachers, kung yung kasabot sa kuhaan, kung kasabot sa addresses sa teachers or the reporters, mag-ask of questions, dili kayo magpalamlaw, kasabot na, kasabot sa ikwaya, kasabot na kan. Okay? So, don't hesitate na mamutana sa teachers or sa students also, or sa friends, hindi mo mapakita. Then test yourself. So, ilay kuan, sukulot yung kuan.
Sorry, sir.
Sukulot yung magaling kung asa ka kuan, ano pa? Asa ka nag-exam na, yung kuan, for example, kuan, ako nag-exam sa kuan, mga public speaking, nana. So, ako sa muna ako magaling, dapat susunod, to improve, para ma-improve ang mga kuan, public speaking, dapat mag-practice o mag-practice, okay? So, then, allot time to take a break, eliminate stress. So, dapat mo, gusto na yung mag-study, tapos 15 minutes pakuway, tapos pag sa 15 minutes, mag-study na po. Break, dili ko ang habit. 1 hour. Dali, 1 hour mag-study, tapos 15 minutes relax to reward yourself. So dapat i-apply nyo sa mga mahal, i-apply nyo sa mga habit, dapat ano pa, kung ang days lang na dahil dapat dahil 2 days to go, dapat prepare na mo, dapat magtuon ng habit kay kanang magtuon ka ron kung ma-exam, the wrong mga book na ang habit, hindi naman patawag na habit student. Okay? So, create or join study group. Sila din mag-study group sa isang mga amigo. Kaya?
Yeah, wala na ko doon. Dito,
Kami,
Ben.
mag-study
Dito,
group niya.
mag-study, Ben. Ay, kami po, mag-dinidiwa tayo.
Kung na-cheese, pag-aog pa,
Mag-chismis.
mag-study niya na. Ikaw, di ba?
Premises.
Yes. Then, teach what you have learned. So, as what I paano ako game ko karon kung sino nakatunan ng tulo sa inyo. So, that's an example of the student habit, okay? So, na-gets dito?
Yes.
Kasi don't take ako tanong. Don't hesitate to ask me.
Wala na, sir. Kuya na, sir. Basta
Any questions, clarifications?
Yan.
So, since we have no na, I'll give our supporter for discussion. Let me just start with this Kanshada para mag-kuan. Mr. Roger. Ano,